that I'm gonna pick up my GuaSha. So my collarbones are here. So like this, I'm gonna go up and draw a curved line like this, and do this for 10 times for each side. The other side. And as you can see, it starts from collarbones and it goes to the armpits. Then I'm gonna go on the neck sides area. I'm gonna come down from the ears towards the collarbones, doing 10 times again. The skin got red here, so it means that it's really working and you're just increasing the blood circulation from the ears down to the collarbones 10 times. With the same part, I'm gonna just move from double chin downwards like this. Again 10 times. This is the 10. Okay, and then I'm gonna go up from the sides 10 times again. The other side 10 times. This exercise is good for unfolding the wrinkles on the neck. Then coming to the center, I come up, doing the same for the center for 10 times. You can slightly hold your head up like this, so the movement will be easier for you. So you're gonna lengthen your neck and also reduce the double chin.